The big question facing all companies today in the world of construction is, how do you grow your business without taking on more expenses? The answer is with innovation and technology. I'm Perry Reiter with Reiter & Company. You know, it's always easy to hire more people and spend more money, but that cuts deeply into your bottom line. With your commitment using ingenuity and innovative technology, you will make your company much more competitive in today's construction market. Welcome to Reiter & Company, your resource for construction software technologies. So often you're faced with these estimating or bidding questions. Is longhand takeoff and estimating slowing you down so much? Are you looking for a much faster, more accurate way to bid work? Well, look no further. We carry PlanSwift and on-screen takeoff, but in this video, we're featuring a great and super easy, innovative program to get you away from pencil and paper manual takeoff. The best way is to get started with a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. Our featured takeoff program actually plugs directly into Excel. That way your takeoff and estimate is started, saved, and finished in Excel. It's just that simple. Watch this. Okay, so here's your Excel spreadsheet, for example. Here's your typical template that you might have, or you can actually even start with a blank spreadsheet. You don't have to have a template if you don't need one or want one. And so what you do is you highlight your takeoff quantity column over here, and now, as well as a few other extra cells if you like, you're ready for takeoff. You could do running foot takeoff, you could do square foot takeoff, single line linear feet, or counting. You hit one of these action buttons and it takes us to our drawing of a PDF or a CAD drawing, scanned image of a drawing, any one of those type of formats, and even there are other formats that we accept. And so if you notice here, I've actually done some takeoff already of the 8/8 tile as well as 12/12 tile. My scale has already been set at 1/8 inch equals a foot. And so I maybe want to take off some 16 by 16 tile here in the corridor. So all I do over here is the area button's already pressed. And so at this point, I'm ready to start clicking with my mouse. And I just click the area that I want to cover, in this case, with tile, the 16 by 16 tile. You just click around where the material that you want to measure. And when you're done, it gives you the square foot area over here. Not only that, you could even come back over here and take off some base or some tile on walls if that was the situation. And if I was doing tile on walls, I might do a wall segment over here, if you notice this over here. And I'm just clicking back over here, and if you notice, it is actually giving me a different color, 14 feet. And if I want to actually put in a different description, if I so choose, I can actually type in over here, east, if this floor tile goes in the east area. And the moment I change this is what's important over here. Your Excel descriptions are live here in the drawing program. And so when we're done, we press the done button. Those descriptions are annotated over here, not only with the takeoff quantity, but also with any annotations I do on the descriptions as well. So as you saw, I had this earlier, and if I had to bring in something that's not in my checklist of items, I can actually come back here and say, Perry's special flooring, and I'm ready now to come back over here and measure it. So as you see, I'm ready to measure an area, and I could actually come back over here and start measuring the area that I decided I want to do takeoff on. And of course, you could change to all kinds of different colors. There's my takeoff, 324.3 square feet of my special flooring that I threw in on the fly. And I press the done button, everything is brought forward, and bingo, there it is as well. And you could continue with whatever your unit prices are over here. The Excel spreadsheet is whatever you make it to be. So if if I had 100 foot of wall, you'll notice over here all the quantities start carrying over. The same thing goes with carpet. If we were taking off all the carpet throughout the project, as you saw, I was doing it earlier. If we had 3,000 square feet of carpet, the spreadsheet automatically will convert to square yards. Put in a waste factor, put in your unit price, and extend it on out. That's it. You're ready now to start creating your proposal. Whatever your proposal is, you just take out the items that you want to include and that you might have done takeoff for. And I'm just clicking on the items that I wanted to put into the proposal. And when I'm done, I'm just going to hit copy, and I'm going to bring it over here to the proposal tab. And all I'm doing here is I'm just pasting them. Everything's coming in this way. And I'll come back and now get the pricing for all those items that I was doing takeoff on. And let's do that again. Here we go. Bingo. We'll take that, and that. Right click, copy it, proposal, and we'll bring the numbers over here. Here's our proposal. It's complete total, ready for signatures, and I am done. It's just that simple. Easy takeoff, fast takeoff, accurate takeoff. That's what you want, isn't it? With this fantastic Excel plugin program, you'll be up and running in minutes and transform your speed and accuracy issues into huge profits. With the purchase of this program, you get a free estimating template spreadsheet, a $600 value. So don't delay, call us today at 1-800-482-1014.